तेथास्पदं शिवविरिञ्चनुतं शरण्यं भीतात्युहं पुनतपालभवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणोजविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरजित किमपि गभवतु स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागर सुसागर सारमूर्ति साराधिकामयि कदा कृपां करोषि श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसादि गौरभक्तवृंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकावदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलाशताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजवरो युगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणावतारो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकावदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलाशताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजवरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणावतारो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे नमामि गंगे तव पाद पंकजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्ति च मुक्ति च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं गङ्गातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषी त्ववामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं वागीशजुष्व वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदयसंवित् त्वं नृसिंहमहं भजे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे यद्ब्रह्म साक्षात् कृतनिष्ठयापि विना समयाति विना न भोगै अपैति नाम स्फुरनेन तत्ते परोब्धकर्मेति विरोति वेदः यद्ब्रह्म साक्षात् कृतनिष्ठयापि विना समयाति विना न भोगै अपैति नाम स्फुरनेन तत्ते parabdha karmiti viroti vedaha. Gauriya Goshtipati,
Gaudiya Goshtipati,
Srila Bhakti Siddhanta,
Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramhans, Jagat Guru told that name and Bhagwan himself is not different from each other. That what is Nam, that is the Bhagwan himself. There is no difference between them at all. Gaudiya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta, Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramhans Jagat Guru told that what is Nam, that is Nami, that is Bhagwan himself. But how and when we can realize this point? When this point we can realize in our life? That is the topmost question in our life. Prabhupada speaking, when inside our heart, Prabhupada speaking, when from inside our heart, that whatever kind of different anarthas which are present, if it is extinguished completely, destroyed, then especially in that at that point you can understand and realize. Before that, realization is not at all possible. When inside of our heart, whatever kind of different anarthas, and these anarthas are all actually destroyed, after getting destroyed, that realization can come. We can feel that name and Bhagwan himself is not different from each other. That Krishna Nam is when you are just doing Niraparad, that it can come into realization. But by Nam Aparad, because of Nam Aparad, this we cannot understand at all. That Nam Aparad, if it is there, that 10 types of Nam Aparad are there. Because of 10 types of Nam Aparad, we cannot understand it at all. That this Krishna Nam, that when without any aparad, if you are just chanting, that you can yourself understand this automatically. That name, what is name? That it is the topmost place of Siddhi. That by Bhagwan Nam, all different kinds of Siddhis one can attain very easily. That apart from that, nothing is more topmost at all. Prabhupada speaking that just by accepting name slowly, steadily, that if in the starting, if some fruit you will not get at all in the starting, generally you won't get anything. This, in order to realize that, there is no kind of arrangement at all. You cannot get the topmost Mangal in the starting. Just by accepting Shri Harinam, that slowly, steadily, anarthas, when it will get destroyed, that when it is getting destroyed completely, that under Shri Nam Prabhu, that under the Roop, Gun, Leela, automatically will get realized and manifest inside your heart. Automatically it will get manifest inside your heart very easily. Automatically, that when you are making your own efforts forcefully, artificially and forcefully, by your making efforts, that in Kritim Swarup, that with forceful efforts when you are putting, just by doing that, if you are making all those arrangements, that is more good if you are not making any arrangements. Because Kritim means that artificially if you are making some arrangements, if you are making some efforts, definitely some aparad will be done. That forceful efforts are not at all required in chanting Harinam at all. That with artificially, if you are putting some efforts, that Roop, Gun, Leela, characteristics, all you are actually remembering, there is no use of that. Automatically it will come. That name, just by speaking, those people who are those jivas who are doing actual Harinam, that their own asmita inside them, that subtle and fine body inside that gapping what is there. There's a big gapping between a subtle and fine body, slowly, steadily, that is getting reconciled automatically. that those people, just by speaking Harinam, that inside their body, subtle and fine body, what is there, that gapping will just get reconciled slowly, steadily. That gradually it will just come down. It will just get vanished. And when it will get reconciled with each other, after that, that Siddha Swarup will definitely get manifested automatically. After that his Nitya Nij Swarup will get manifested automatically. And this own Siddha Swarup, after getting manifested, that just by speaking Harinam, that name which is coming automatically from his mouth, lotus mouth, that in the Krishna Swarup, that transcendental tattva, that means the feeling of aprakrit bhav will definitely manifest inside his heart. You can see that as well. That just by speaking Harinam slowly, steadily, by the kripa of Harinam, Krishna Swarup and aprakrit Swarup, he will get supratishthit in that. That Shri Nam is the actual Swarup of all the jivas. Shri Nam will just manifest the actual Nitya Swarup of the jivas, and in the Krishna Roop, that Krishna Roop darshan, and it will just manifest attraction towards Krishna automatically. Shri Nam only, Shri Harinam is only the actual Swarup of the jivas will get manifested, and it will just attract us towards the actual Swarup of Krishna. That only Harinam is the actual, the Harinam, Shri Harinam is the actual manifestation of Shri Krishna Swarup, and it is giving us attraction towards Krishna's Swarup. Shri Krishna Nam is all the kind of parikriya what they are doing, that in the leelas of Krishna they are getting attracted automatically by the help of Shri Krishna, by Shri Harinam. Nam Seva is the topmost. Shri Harinam Seva, just by speaking this point, Shri Harinam Seva, Shri Harinam Seva, by speaking this word, that just by speaking Harinam, automatically what is necessary for that all Anushtan, rules and regulations are required, automatically are included in Shri Harinam Sankirtan. That is very much important to understand. Just by speaking Shri Harinam slowly, steadily, just that actual kripa of Shri Harinam, only everything can be done in that. That just by hearing Shastras, that hearing and reading, and just by under actual anugatya of sadhu, that Nam Ruchi can get manifested automatically. Of this there is no doubt about it at all. Just be careful about this point. It's very careful we need to see that Srila Rup Goswami Pad, that Shri Krishna Nam Ashtakam, in that what he has written, that this what actually being told here, in that it's mentioned that in order to just get the fruits, that this is Vyatita, means that whatever you have done karma, that without enjoying the fruits of that, you have to enjoy the fruits of your karma, what you have done. When you are leaving all those enjoyment of those karma, that if you want to get that Brahma Sakshat, that Nishtha, that whatever those people who are connected with Nishtha, full Nishtha to Bhagwan, that they won't get destroyed if they have Nishtha in Shri Harinam. That those who have already left the enjoyment of their past karma life or the present karma what they are doing, this kind of enjoyment, who have already left this conception, and in order to get the Brahma Sakshatkar, that with full Nishtha you want to achieve that absolute truth, that those who are not at all getting destroyed, that O Shri Harinam, that O Shri Harinam, that only your slight manifestation, that this all prarabdha karma, past karmas, without enjoying them can be destroyed by Shri Harinam Prabhu.
फल भोग के
That
अलावा
without getting the enjoyment of that karam phal which you will enjoy,
फल
that it will automatically, that you are getting the,
कर्म फल
according to the karam phal you are getting enjoyment, and you just need to enjoy those, and without enjoying that there is no other pathway open. You just need to enjoy your karam phal, whether good or bad. There is no other pathway open.
लेकिन
But
फिर भी
still,
ये फल भोग
that this kind of apart from enjoying this enjoying of karam phal just by the nishtha of Brahma Sakshat at absolute truth, which is not at all destroyed by that also, that Shri Harinam, just by your small manifestation on in our inside our heart, that all these kind of prarabdha karma we won't enjoy, it will automatically get destroyed. Automatically by the kripa of Harinam it can get destroyed. So all these points
वेद का अंदर में
that inside Vedas, it's already being written there. Of course, without any aparadh, that in aparadh khetra that won't be possible if aparadh is there. When without any aparadh you are actually doing Harinam, then only it is possible, then it can go away. In the Shastras this vichar is coming.
अवश्यमेव भक्तव्यम कित कर्मम शुभाशुभम अवश्यमेव भक्तव्यम कित कर्म शुभाशुभम मां अभुक्तम खियते कर्मो कल्पो कोटि शतैरपि. बताया गया शास्त्रों
It's
में
written in the Shastras
अवश्यमेव भक्तव्यम कित कर्म शुभाशुभम मां अभुक्तम खियते कर्मो कल्प कोटि शतैरपि. शुभो और अशुभो कर्मो
that good and bad karma, that all the jivas are actually getting into that ocean of good and bad karma.
और अशुभो
That good and bad karma,
जो कोई भी
that whatever kind of karma you are doing, definitely each and every jiva has to get the fruit of has to get the result of that karma phal. Definitely he just needs to get the fruit of that, and he needs to enjoy that.
लेकिन
But
बिना भोग
without any doing that enjoyment of that karam phal, that
क्योंकि बिना
why? Because without doing any enjoyment, without enjoying that karam phal, that krita karma, whatever kind of good or bad karma, that in infinity kalpa also you cannot get it won't get destroyed from infinity kalpa as well. If infinity kalpa he just needs to wait, but still that karam phal won't get destroyed at all.
अवश्यमेव भक्तव्यम कृत कर्म शुभाशुभम मां भक्तम खियते कर्मो कल्पकोटि शतैरपि. जब ब्रह्म साक्षात कृतिनिष्ठयापि बिना समयात बिना न भोगई अपैति नाम स्फुरनेन तत्ते प्रारब्ध कर्मेति विरोति भी. भगवान नाम का
That with Bhagwan Naam,
इतना
that so much glorification, that those
इतना कष्ट
that those who are doing so much
होने वाला नहीं.
that karam phal won't get destroyed by doing so much austerity and penances. It won't get destroyed just by the slight kripa of Shri Harinam. Only just by the kripa of Harinam, that all prarabdha karma without enjoying them can get destroyed completely from the roots. In the Vedas it is already being written there. Vedas have already told this,
इसका अन्यथा होने का
that
कोई
apart
चांस
from that there is no chance. There is no chance apart from that. Only and only prarabdha karma, that kind of wishes what is there,
सिर्फ केवल
that just by that prarabdha karma, that is totally not, they are not at all getting destroyed, but they are deep uprooted away.
शास्त्रों में विचार है, भागवत
In
में भी
the Shastras also, in Bhagavatam it is written regarding this,
श्री कर्मफल क्षय होना,
that
यही सबसे बड़ा
only,
चीज
that
नहीं
is
है।
not the major point, that only Karamphal will get destroyed. This is not the major point here.
भक्तों का
That all the devotees,
इसी जगत में
that in
रहते
this
समय
material world, when they are staying,
अवस्थित देह
that
में
in the same material body,
प्राप्ति का बाद
that Bhagavad Prapti, after getting that absolute truth, Bhagavad Prapti,
भगवान लोग के
that they are actually getting a manifestation in the Nitya Leela as well. And there in the Nitya Leela Prasang also we can see that as well.
सिर्फ प्रारब्ध कर्म
Only by Prarabdha Karma,
का क्षय
that when it is destroyed is not the major point here, but also
लोगों के लिए
that for all the devotees
जगत में
in this material world and in this same material body, when they are actually there, that to get Bhagavad Prapti, and just by getting into the Nitya Leela, coming and going, that kind of also prasang is also described here, that Nitya Leela,
अंदर
inside that,
गमनागमन
that going and coming and going, so what all kinds of, for devotees it is possible for them.
भक्त प्रवर श्री उद्धव जी महाराज का आचरण में
That it can be seen in the acharan of Shri Uddhav Ji Maharaj,
ये जो बातें हैं
that these all kind of things what I have already described here,
उद्धव जी
that all this can be seen in the manifested form in Shri Uddhav Ji Maharaj with Vidur Ji Maharaj, when there is Vidur Uddhav Samvad, there while conversation with the Vidur Ji Maharaj, Uddhav Ji Maharaj was actually speaking that this material body, when it is there at present, that Bhagavad Prapti and to go in the Bhagavad Lok, Nitya Lok can be there, can be done very easily. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Prabhupada,
ये सारे
all they are actually the actual examples in front of us, that in Nitya Leela they have just gone and again they came back.
उद्धव जी
So this Uddhav Ji Maharaj also,
ये जो
this
उद्धव जी
that was Uddhav Ji Maharaj, this prasang with the conversation with Vidur Ji Maharaj and Acharan of Uddhav Ji Maharaj, we can just get this kind of hint there as well.
विदुर जी महाराज
Vidur Ji Maharaj with him, with Vidur Ji Maharaj, Uddhav Ji Maharaj, that kind of conversation is being going on with Vidur Maharaj. Uddhav Ji Maharaj conversation is going on,
इसी बीच
and
में
in between that, in between that, what happened?
विदुर जी का
Vidur Ji's
कृष्ण प्रसंग
that Krishna prasanga regarding Krishna,
प्रश्नों
that kind of question,
कृष्णों का साथ
that
जुड़ा हुआ
whatever actually that question relating to Krishna, that Vidur Ji Maharaj Ji also speaking in front of Uddhav Ji Maharaj, and in that Uddhav Ji Maharaj, there is one kind of transcendental avesh, that he just went into that Nitya Leela, in the Nitya Lok, just by hearing that. In Srimad Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran, in 3rd canto, in the 2nd adhyaya, it is written,
शनकैर भगवत लोकात् निलोकम पुनरागतः विनिज्य नित्ये विदुरम प्रीत्याहो उद्धवो उत्स्मयन्. भागवत जी महापुराण का इस
in Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran, this shlok, we can just get the answer in that shloka.
भगवत लोकात् निलोकम पुनरागतः विनिज्य नित्ये विदुरम प्रीत्याहो उद्धवो उत्स्मयन्. इसका मतलब ये है
It means here that Uddhav,
कृष्णों का साथ जुड़ा
that
हुआ
with
जो
Krishna,
प्रश्न है,
whatever kind of questions with that Krishna prasang, what is there,
कृष्ण प्रसंग
that
में जो
in that Krishna prasang, whatever questions are there,
प्रश्न सुना है,
that kind of questions we have heard, in that he just went into that topmost transcendental bhav, that he just went to that bhav samadhi, and in Bhagavad Swarup he has just went into that Vaikuntha Lok,
वापस आए.
that again and again after hearing, he just went back to his this material world. He went from that transcendental world, he came back. And just that he was just closing his eyes at that point, and again he just slowly steadily opening his eyes, that in Bhagavad Leela Smaran, that with full Nitya Bhav, that with Bhav Samadhi, that he just that with full nice smile on his face, just by hearing, he started answering. In Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran, in the third canto, that in second adhyay, that 6th number shlok you can find. Vidurji and Uddhav Samvad, between conversation between Vidur and Uddhav. So a lot of proofs are also there in Srimad Bhagavatam regarding this. So the Vishuddha devotees, that all those Raganuga devotees, this is not a normal thing at all. That for devotees, this is not at all impossible at all. That for devotees this is definitely possible. That for pure devotees it is possible. That for devotees, this present body, under that guidance, that to go to that Nitya Jagat, there is a possibility. You can just find that very easily. That Smaran, that Smaran Vishishta. That Smaran Vishisht, for Smaran Vishisht devotees, those who are all the time transcendentally remembering about Sri Krishna, that those who are already there in that Smaran Leela, they have got that transcendental Avesh. That for Smarana Vishtu devotees, that Bhagwan Nitya Leela, that all the time with this present body, they can just went into that Nitya Leela, just coming and going. That is possible for pure devotees. That lot of examples you can get regarding that. Like I'll give you one example of Srinivasacharya and Ramchandra Kaviraj Narottam Das Thakur. That 2 to 4 things I will be describing so that you can understand it. That Srinivasacharya, Sri Ramchandra Kaviraj, Narottam Das Thakur, all these, all the Paramhans Vaishnavas, they can just went into the Leela, and you can get this kind of actual answer out of that. That 2 to 4 words I will be speaking on this Vishay. That 2 words I can speak on this Vishay. That Srinivasacharya Prabhuji, that Vishnupur Adhipati, that of the King Virambhir, in the house of King Virambhir, sometime at some day, he was doing bhajan slowly, steadily. By doing bhajan, he just get the transcendental avesh inside his body. And one time, King Virambhir, that in his capital country, Bankura, that King Virambhir, who got that by Jeev Goswami Pad, that all the books sent by Srila Jeev Goswami Pad, who just looted that. That same King Virambhir I am talking about. And after that, Srinivasacharya, that he got Diksha and he becomes Sadhu. So I just want to speak here that King Virambhir, that there in his palace, one time in Bankura, that Srinivasacharya Prabhu, just by doing Harinam slowly, steadily, remembering, he has just went to such a transcendental Bhav Samadhi that 2 to 3 days he just went into that. His body, that there is no symptom of life in his body. He become totally unconscious, as if he has just left his material body. And it looks like that definitely he has left his body. The devotees were thinking that maybe he has left his body.
ये खबर
So this news actually immediately went to Sri Ramchandra Kaviraj's ears, and Ramchandra Kaviraj immediately came to Vishnupur, and he just sit in front of Sri Nivasacharya what is the condition of Gurudev that he just saw. In order to saw what is the condition of his Gurudev, he came to that place.
और देखने के लिए
And just by seeing that what is the actual condition of Gurudev, and this also,
आसन लगा के
just by taking asan in front of his Gurudev, he just also sit there, and just by doing Harinam slowly steadily, he also went to that Bhava Vishta Samadhi, and that in the Nitya transcendental world he also went in order to just find his Gurudev. Where is his Gurudev? And there he saw that in the Yamuna water, there Srimati Dayami Radharani's nose ring,
ये जो
this
नासा में रहता
that nose ring what is there, which is very very expensive, it just fall down somewhere, and in order to just see that where it is, everyone was actually looking for that, and in that immediately
शिष्यों
all those disciples that Sri Ramchandra Kaviraj also came to.
जाके देखा
Ramchandra Kaviraj also went to Nitya Leela, and he was also seeing that her Gurudev Mani Manjari, in the form of Mani Manjari, was actually busy in some seva, and in that seva, in that avesh of Gurudev, he was asking that I also can look for that. Yes, Gurudev speaking, yes, you can also look into that, and slowly steadily by looking here and there, he finally found that which nose ring was not found, he found that. In that lotus flower, in the lotus flower,
फूल में छिपा
in between that it would just get stick there, that nose ring of Srimati Radharani, and he found that.
सारे सखी मंजिल
And all those Sakhi Manjaris, they were actually searching, but that Guru Rupa Sakhi Manjari, by their actual instruction, they also started finding that, and at last
कमल पत्र
that on the lotus flower, inside that it was stick there inside that lotus flower,
रामचंद्र
and Ramchandra Kaviraj was actually found that, and Ramchandra Kaviraj, he has given that nose ring to his Gurudev,
इसके बाद
and after that
दोनों धीरे धीरे
both of them slowly steadily they just came back from Nitya Leela to this material world.
आएगा सर
So you understand the point here by the example that they came back from the Nitya Leela.
एक प्रमाण
This is one proof. Another proof I will also give you regarding this.
कभी
Sometimes
करते करते
by doing bhajan,
आचार्य
Srila Acharya Prabhu,
कभी
sometimes
किसी समय
sometimes Srila Acharya Prabhu, it means Srinivas Acharya Prabhu,
भजन करते
by doing bhajan,
नाम भजन
by doing Harinam, he was just went into that Nitya Jagat, and in that Navadvip Labha, and in Sri Navadvip Leela, he just went into that Bhav Samadhi, and in that Avesh, that Navadvip Leela, that Avesh just get manifested inside him.
नवद्वीप लीला
That Navadvip Leela, just by remembering that Mahaprabhu,
महाप्रभु का और
that transcendental body of Mahaprabhu, that in Bhav condition, that he totally getting deeply into that Bhava, that Mahaprabhu, he is actually decorating Mahaprabhu with flowers.
पूरा सजा
Totally he is decorating Mahaprabhu with flowers.
हमारा वृंदावन
That in our Vrindavan also,
राधा रमन
that Sri Radharaman ji and Sri Radha Vallabh ji, that there is a flower garland seva there, a special seva, and they also speaking all Brajavasis nice kirtan.
ये लोग गाते भी
They are also speaking very nice kirtan.
फूलों से सज रही राधा रमन विहारी बहुत सुंदर गाना
Very nice kirtan it is, they used to speak. So these flower garlands, they are actually being decorated. This in Bhav Samadhi, Mahaprabhu, he was actually decorating Srinivasacharya in Navadvip Leela.
और महाप्रभु
And
का
Mahaprabhu,
मुखारा बिंदु
from the lotus mouth, just by seeing the lotus mouth of Mahaprabhu, he just get lost. And his whole body is getting, by seeing Mahaprabhu, But practically he is in the Bhajan Kutir, but his mind totally gone onto the lotus feet of Gaurang Mahaprabhu by seeing his transcendental body and lotus mouth and lotus feet. And Mahaprabhu is become so much happy. Mahaprabhu becomes so much happy by this that automatically the flower garland from his neck, that by someone he is giving it to Srinivasacharya's neck. The Prasadi Mala we are getting now, that Gurudev is actually giving to disciple. So in the same way, and after that in all the four directions, that there is a smell of flowers, beautiful fragrance of flower just getting spread all around. And immediately Acharya Srinivasacharya ji, that he just he saw on his left side that what mala I have given onto the neck of the Mahaprabhu, how I can get onto that. In fine form actually I was giving it to Mahaprabhu, in Bhav Samadhi I was actually doing, but not practically I was doing. But how it's possible that I got it? Practically in Bhakti Ratnakar, there in Bhakti Ratnakar Granth it is written, and lot of other places the actual proof is there regarding this, that I have given it to Mahaprabhu, that Mahaprabhu just by getting happy he has just given it onto the neck of Srinivas. And when that in Bhav Samadhi already gone, when he came back, what the garland I have given it to Prabhu, I just got in my neck. How it's possible that in Bhav Samadhi I am actually giving it? Yes, it is possible. That in the transcendental world, this is all kind of proofs. By this, that lot of courage we are getting, that yes, we can do that seva. An acceleration like a catalyst we can feel by Kripa of Guru Vaishnav. And in other time, Srinivasacharya Prabhu was actually in Smaran Leela, and in that Bhav Samadhi Smaran Avastha condition, that gulal, that red gulal, that at the time of Holi, Srinivasacharya was actually giving gulal to Shri Radha Madan Mohan in order to worship. And all the Sakhis, this gulal, what is there, now actually is being, he is giving it in a Bhav Samadhi condition. And Srinivasacharya, that to all the Sakhi Manjaris by their instructions, that gulal is actually supplying, and is supplying it to the Sakhis, like at the time of war, that they are giving some support, weapon support or something. But when that Bhav Samadhi is gone, then he saw that in my body, that in my, from where this gulal is coming, or what gulal I was supplying, how it came on my clothes, how it is possible that this gulal is coming on my body. So Shri Narottam Thakur also one time, while doing bhajan in that Smaran Avishta condition, he also went to Nitya Leela, and there, that in the form of Champak Manjari, that in his transcendental body, in the Kunj Bhavan, that Siddhavastha, that he was seeing the Prem Vilas of Radha Govind Leela. He was watching that Prem Vilas Leela of Radha Govind. So by some Sakhi, he is actually getting that Avishta Vesh. That he actually asked for some hot milk, and he just put it on a chula in that Bhav Samadhi, and what that again after that he just take it off from the chula, and after that he saw, he made this vichar that this Radha Govind Seva, whether it is for that or not, okay, let me check it whether how much hot it is. He just touch it, and by just touching that, his whole hand just got burned up, and he just came out of the Bhav Samadhi, that literally his hand just got burnt. So a lot of examples are there, that now our Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, Rati Manjari,
इन्होंने दया परवश होकर
she actually giving us the topmost mercy just for our actual advantage
राज्यों का
in this bhajan rajya,
का विषय में
that in this bhajan rajya vishay he has given such an in-depth vichar. He is speaking to us that you can't even imagine
सारे
that all
ये आपका
actually or
रूपानुग भजन
that in Rupanu bhajan means
ये जो रसोतत्व
this
है
rasatattva what is there in that vishay is being spoken
तो
here.
जो लोग
So those people who are actually adhikari, those who have that eligibility,
जो लोग का अंदर
those
में
who
ये
have
भाव
this
है,
kind of bhav inside them, that
इनके कृपा लेकर
that by just getting their kripa definitely I can go ahead. So in up till 10th number shloka,
शनिचर
that on Saturday we have discussed that,
और अभी
and now today
श्लोक
that
में आता है
11th number shloka we'll be discussing,
रघुनाथ
that Raghunath Das Goswami Pad is writing
समम सिरूपेण स्मरो विवशु राधा गिरिभृतो समम सिरूपेण स्मरो विवशु राधा गिरिभृतोर ब्रजे साक्षात् सेवा लवनो विधये तद्गनुयुजः तदिज्याख्या ध्यान श्रवणनति पंचामृतमिदं ध्यायन्नित्वा गोवर्धनम अनुदिनं त्वं भजो मनः. क्या बताया?
what actually being written here,
समं सिरूपेण स्मरो विवोस राधा गिरिभितोर ब्रजे साक्षात् सेवा लवनो विधये तद्गनो जुजः तदिज्याख्या ध्यान श्रवणनति पंचामृतमिदं ध्यायन्नित्वा गोवर्धनम अनुदीनं त्वं भजो मनः.
it means that all samam means with the swakam. In swakam, it's Sanskrit in swakam, that time by time, that at some places, suitable places, all these words are used in Sanskrit.
स्वाकम स्वार्धम समम. तो इधर लिखा है
So here actually it is written,
स्मरो विवसो राधा गिरिभितोर ब्रजे सखस्य बलभन विधये तद गनुजुज. क्या बताया?
what actually being told here,
तद इज्जाक्षा ध्यानो श्रवणो नुति पंचामृतम इदम ध्यायन नित्वा गोवर्धनम अनुदिनम त्वं भजो मनः.
Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, he is actually just teaching his mind in the way, in order to teach his mind, in order to instruct his mind. He is actually teaching us that, oh my mind, that you in this Brajadham, that all the parikars, along with them, all the parikar of Shri Radha Govind, that Swar Vilas means that Kam Vilas Leela, that which is transcendental Kam Vilas Leela, that transcendental Kam in that Vishay. If seva you want to take that seva, then you do one thing, that Shri Rup Goswami Pad, along with Shri Rup Goswami Pad, that Sagan, that Shri Nandanandan Bhagwan, that means his transcendental puja and all his glories, Shravan, Mati, Smaran, everything, all these 5 kind of nectar, without any breakage, you just need to follow. All the time when you are following slowly, steadily, that Shri Govardhan, you just need to do bhajan, because alongside Shri Govardhan, at the bank of Shri Govardhan, that Radhakund Shamkund is there. So that's why that kind of wish yielding Govardhan, you just need to do bhajan there. That Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Baba, you will just see afterwards that Raghunath Das Goswami Baba also praying to Shri Govardhan, that you just give me that transcendental lotus feet, that you just give me a very slight place at your lotus feet, O Shri Govardhan, where I can just sit. You understand the point? So there Raghunath Das Goswami, that he is actually instructing his mind,
करने का बहाना
that just by he is actually instructing us in a similar way, that if all the Parikar of Shri Shri Radha Govinda, that Kam Vilas Leela, that is the actual seva, those who want that Kam Vilas Seva, that with the Roop Goswami Pad, that Sagan Nandanandan Shri Krishna, that all the guns together with all the Parikars, means Lalita, Vishakha, etc., Roop Goswami, Shridam, Sudam, all of Shri Nandanandan, that of Shri Nandanandan, that Archan, Puja, Smaran, Dhyan, Shravan, all these 5 kind of topmost transcendental nectars, if you will follow, then and do the bhajan of Shri Govardhan, that all the actual Shri Govardhan will be giving you all the fulfillments. He is like a wish fulfillment tree. Everything will be done. So there are a lot of words are there in this. That first I have told you. Sagan Sahit means the Sagan, that Shridham, Subal, etc. all Swaparikar of Shri Nandanandan Krishna and Lalita, Vishakha, etc. all Shri Radhika's Parikar. Shridham or Subal who are there, that both of them, their name actually being told here, that Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, especially both the names actually being told here, Sagan Sahit, Shridham, Subal. Why? Because Shridham and Subal, etc. etc. means and or Sakha, other Sakhas are also there with them. Those that in Madhur Ras, they are having that eligibility, whether they are in Sakhya Rag, but still both of them and other Sakhas also, they have that eligibility to come in Madhur Ras. They have that eligibility, have the adhikar in Madhur Ras, like in the Vastraharan Leela at that time. At the time of taking clothes of the Gopikas, that Leela, Govind Bhagwan, Shri Krishna, that with some limited 2 to 4 Sakhas he just went. That 2 to 4 friends like Shridham, Subal and 1 or 2 more, because they have that adhikar in Madhur Ras. That maybe they are actually in Sakhya, but still they have that eligibility adhikar. Like Baldavji Maharaj Baldev, that a lot of times I have just told this point as well, that Baldevji Maharaj, that you can see he is the actually big older brother, that he is the big brother of Krishna. He is the big brother of Krishna. But in Puri we are speaking Bal Thakur, big brother. Definitely he is. So big brother, he is of Krishna. And he has the responsibility. He has some responsibility as a big brother, that I have to see my brother, so that my brother nothing should happen to my brother. That is actually called Vatsalya. Maybe Baldavji Maharaj and Krishna, all the Sakhas, he is actually playing with them. But what does it mean? That Sakhya Ras is there. So Sakhya Ras definitely is there. But about that, there is no doubt about it. Sakhya Ras is definitely there. And along with that, that his big brother, that Vatsalya is also there, that he is I am his big brother. He is smaller to me. Krishna is smaller to me, and he is big brother. And big brother has very Vatsalya for his small brother. And the third point is that Balramji, that his avatar, that for Dasya Seva it is being done. It means in Bhagavad Gita, Mahapuran, Chaitanya, Bhagavad, etc., Chaitanya, wherever you are going, in any Puran also you are going, especially there, in Padma Puran, etc., Skand Puran, all actually are special. Garga Samhita you can see very nicely. There Baldavji Maharaj, that very important bhav, that Dasya bhav is there. That maybe Baldavji Maharaj inside him, that Sakhya Vatsalya, we can see all the bhavas, but still that basically inside him the basic bhav is Dasya bhav. That Das, that to become Das, it is by topmost luck someone can become. That's why in these 3 rasas all the combination are there in Baldavji Maharaj. that Sakhya, Vatsalya and Dasya.
इसके साथ साथ दास
Dasya, all these three rasas are, the Dasya basically is there, but other two rasas are also present in Baldavji Maharaj. So this combination of three rasa. So this Shri Dham,
कृष्णो ये लोग के अंदर में भी
inside them also, that Madhur Ras, they have that eligibility, adhikar to go. Not everyone, but these sakhas are having.
और श्री ललिता विशाखादि वेष्टित राधि राधा रानी ये सगन सहित
That with all Sagan Sahit.
सगन
Sagan means all, along with all their parikars.
ठीक है
You understand? Lalita, Vishakha, etc. All Radharani, that Yugal Sarkar, just by taking their darshan,
इसका बारे में
that along with that, Raghunath Das Goswami was speaking alongside this.
दूसरा है
That the second one is
विलास परायण
Smaro Vilas Parayan. Means Smaro means
अपराकित काम
that
विलास
Aprakrit Kam Vilas.
अपराकित काम विलास
So Aprakrit Kam Vilas,
सबसे बड़ा
that is
ऊंचा
the topmost position to be attained.
ब्रज लीला में
In Braj Leela, in Vrindavan, inside Vrindavan,
ये सबसे बड़ा
that is the
चीज है,
topmost
ये
thing,
मधुर
that is Madhur Ras.
भी पारुकिया
That is Parikya Madhur Ras.
सख्य मंजूर का
That Sakhi Manjari is inside them, it is present.
प्रमाण मिलता
You can see that as a proof.
स्मरो विलास परायण
Smar Vilas Parayan means that Kam Vilas Parayan.
काम विलास परायण
That Kam Vilas Parayan Radha Govindji's. This you can see. So then, Raghunath Das Goswami Pad actually speaking.
रूपेण स्मरो विवासो राधा गिरी भितोर ब्रजे साक्षात सेवा लवन विधये तद गनो युयः तद इज्याक्षा ध्यानो सवननति पंचामृतमिदम ध्यान नित्यम गोवर्धनम अनुदिनम त्वं भजो मनः.
Here,
स्मरो विवास
Smaro Vivas means
अपराकित काम
that Aprakrit Kam Vilas, they are all the time Radha Govind, they are actually in deep into that Leela. That Nivrit Prajaseva, transcendental. If you want that Kam Vilas Seva of Shri Shri Radha Govind, and you have that desire to come into that, then you do one thing, that all the Swaparikar, that whatever Swaparikar, with that you just need to do the smaran of them. You have to remember all those parikars, and along with that, that Smaro Vilas Parya, that's Dasya Sakya Vatsalya, that all kind of rasas, that is the actual Adhar Krishna is. But be sure about one point. Be sure about one point. But be sure about one point. That inside Madhur Ras, that all the kind of rasas are actually present in that. That in Madhur Ras, all kind of other rasas are present automatically. That all rasas are present in Madhur Ras. And if, according to your own ras vichar, that all those rasic devotees, that according to their ras vichar, that each and every one, that they will be speaking of their own ras as the topmost. That they will think like that. They will be thinking like that. That is the actual rules. Like those who are in Dasya Ras, they will be thinking Dasya Ras as topmost. Those who are in Sakhya, they will be thinking of Sakhya as topmost. Those who are in Vatsalya, they will be thinking of Vatsalya as topmost. And those who are in Madhur Ras, they are thinking, and in Madhur Ras also, that in that also there is category. That is the topmost. That is that Braj Madhuri, Braj Ras, that Radha Govindji, Gopikas, you can see in them. So Sagan Sahit, Shri Dham, Subala, etc., all Shri Krishna and Lalita, Vishakha, etc., all the parikars along with them. That Smaran, remembrance, you just need to do under their guidance. And Smar Vilas means Shri Madhur Ras. That is the topmost of all. No, everybody knows about that. And according to their own rasa, according to the own rasa eligibility, that ras bhava eligibility, if you can make vichar,
my ras is excellent. ये नियम है।
That is actual rules.
लेकिन
But
जब कोई निरपेक्ष
when
रूप
who is actually on a neutral platform without nirapeksha bhav, with a neutral bhav, he is actually making this vichar, then madhuras is the topmost. That lot of times I have already told this point.
परम रूप स्वरकम ध्येयम बरा मधुर मधुपुरी बरा और आद्य एव परो रस। अतः इसका
It means that apart from that, nothing is more topmost. This is the topmost. But in this material world, that is very, very dirty. In material world, this ras is topmost dirty. But in Prakrit Kamdev, for him, that is the most topmost of all. That is the topmost vishay. Why? Because Bhagwan is absolute enjoyer. And Bhagwan is having that absolute detachment as well. That Bhagwan in absolute detachment is also there. Both the things are there in Bhagwan. So Dasya Sakhya Vatsalya, inside that according to that vichar, that Shringar Ras, that Dasya Sakhya Vatsalya Ras, that if you are making vichar, that this ras, that when you are leaving all this ras, that Shringar Ras Vilas, that is the topmost. Means Madhur Ras is the topmost. Raghunath Das Goswami Pad directly is actually indicating here. Raghunath Das Goswami Pad directly is indicating here that Dasya Sakhya Vatsalya Ras, if you need to avoid, you just need to leave. Dasya Sakhya Vatsalya, that removal should be there in order. Shringar Ras glorification is very, very topmost. That is topmost to more topmost to Sri Krishna and Radharani. If you are liking Shringar Ras, then be sure that you just get manifested into that rasa, Shringar Rasa. Then if in Braja, that just if you want to get the seva, then only. Otherwise, no need. If inside Braj Ras, in Braj Dham, if you want to get the direct seva, that in sadhan avastha, what you are actually doing, in sadhan condition, at that kind of practice you are actually sadhak actually doing that praxit, or that is actually called anusaran. This is one practice you are doing at sadhan stage. That seva, that it is just one kind of anusaran of the direct seva. And at the time of siddhi, that first, that at the time of getting siddhi, first, that lot of topmost Durvati seva you are actually getting, and slowly, steadily by the krama, gradual promotional procedure under the anugatya of all the manjaris, and just by under the anugatya of Guru Varga, that under Sakhigans, that seva can be given to you under the Sakhis, that you can get the seva very easily by under their guidance, and slowly steadily by that Shri Radha Govind, that Sakshat Seva you can also get. That is not one kind of joking, that is the most practical thing you can get. That nobody can think like that this is one kind of joking. No, this seva is of lot of types and categories of seva are there. That some Sakhi Manjari, you just need to decorate the kunj, and you just need to take water from somewhere, and just to do the hot milk on the pan, and in the kunj, inside kunj, that just to make mala, and that kapoor, fool mala, flower garlands, just to sing, just to dance, lot of seva, infinity sevas are there. That infinity sevas are there, and that infinity in numerous numbers of maid servants are, that sevikas are all there. Slowly, steadily they are actually serving. They are taking the actual duty of that service. That is also under some anugatya, each and every seva. Just by getting that by getting that seva, that they are actually getting manifesting themselves in that seva. That direct seva for jivas, that direct seva of Shri Radha Govind for jivas, that in this material transcendental body, that with after getting nitya siddha deha, they can get that. I have lot of times told this point, that in the sadhak body, that Krishna Prem he can go. and above that he can't go. And in the Siddha Avastha, Siddha condition, that rest of the things can come.
यहाँ का इस
Here
जगत में
of this material world, that whatever is there,
लिमिट है
that there is some limit of this material body.
ये जगत
So in this material world only,
प्रेम तक पहुंचता कृष्ण प्रेम
that
इसका
he can go up till Krishna Prem.
इसका बाद जाने
That after that he
लेकिन
can't
जब
go.
नित्य सिद्ध शरीर लाभ होने से
When you are getting that Nitya Siddha Deha,
शरीर
that definitely this
अर्थात नित्य सिद्ध
that Nitya Siddha Day, when you are getting that, it is possible
सेवा का समय
that at the time of doing seva,
साथ सेवा का समय
at the time of doing seva,
एकमात्र
that only and only that Madhur Ras,
निगुण भाव
that Nigud Bhav, topmost Bhav, that which is related,
परमानंदो
that Amishrat Paramananda, that Vishya which cannot get destroyed at all, and which is all the time permanently, that Nitya, that it cannot get entangled at all, that this cannot get achieved. If you want to get it more, that kind of more desire is coming to do it more. So that is the actual seva, because in that Nitya seva you are not at all getting each and every second you are having this kind of desire to do it more and more. That Vardhanshil and Atulanand means that kind of topmost transcendental Anand is coming inside your heart. That is actually getting manifested automatically inside the heart. When that topmost seva sukh, that there is no kind of other selfish motive at all. When apart from that seva, that there is no other selfish motive at all. That there is only that happiness of seva is there. That distress and sorrow won't even touch you at all. And Madhur Ras, etc. That Vipralamba, Madhur Ashrit Vipralamb, in that he or she, that jiva will get established, and that kind of topmost dukh, it will give the topmost anand, transcendental anand in the seva. That topmost paramanand you will just get into that ocean. And when this body, that this in this material body, that this kind of swarup you can get manifested, that you don't think like that in this material body, that what kind of material brain you are having, that it's not like that Vipralam, etc. By that kind of distress, that is also topmost Paramanand, transcendental Paramanand you are getting in that in this material body, that kind of distress and happiness, that it can't be compared with that at all. You don't compare it. This is my request onto your lotus feet. Otherwise you will just get lost in Hari Bhajan in this material world. That in the fourth number, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, that our Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad speaking, that it looks like as if the actual vichar you are doing, that is the topmost, it is the last of all. Means that the starting is like that. Samam sirupena smaro vivosu radha giri vitor praje sakshat seva lavano vidhaye tadguna juya tadijyaksha dhyana sabano nati panchamritamidam Dhayan nitva govardhanam anudinam tvam bhajamana. Rup ka saath. That with the Rup, that Srila Rupa Goswami Pad with him, or Srila Rupa Goswami with her, you can speak. That Srila Rupa Goswami Pad with her, that what does it mean here? What I am only telling you? That with the Shri Roop, that with Shri Roop, that in Shri Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu and Shri Ujjwal Leel Mani, that etc. in all the Granths, that Madhur Ras Acharya, the actual Acharya of Madhur Ras, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, that Niti, what he has done, the darshan of that darshan, the style and the actual efficacy, what he has manifested here, that is that we just need to accept it only. That we need to adopt and accept. That nothing else we just need to adopt. Only this we need to adopt and accept. Here in Sri Rasamrit Sindhu, lot of things are there that I'm speaking only 2 to 4 shlokas. I'll be just making 2 to 4 shlokas which are in front of you, like Srila Rup Goswami Pad has written.
Shraddha Visheshatah Priti Simurtir Angri Sevane Srimad Bhagavatarthanam Ashwada Rasikai Saho Sajati Rasai Snigde Sadhu Sango Satu Vari Nama Sankirtanam Sri Mathura Mandala Sthiti Angyanam Panchakashashu Angyanam Panchakashashu Purvam Bilikitasya cha Nikhila Sreshtvai Nikhila Sreshto Budhayu Nikhila Sreshto Budhayu Punaropi Atru Kirtanam.
Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad speaking here that if you are actually going inside deep inside Sri Vrindavan, that in Kam Vilas of Sri Yugal Ka Sarga, you want to do the service and you want to accept that seva, then now immediately you be ready. Srila Rup Goswami Pad actually that what is describing, that Srila Rup Goswami Pad, all the parikars, that under their anugatya you need to stay. That you need to stay under the anugatya of all the Sri Rup Goswami Pad Parshads, Gans. That not with the Shri group, that only with Shri Rupa, that is Shri Nandanandan Krishna, that his glorification and Dhyan, Shravan, remembrance, everything, this 5 kind of nectarian things you just need to get under the guidance of Srila Rup Goswami Pad. And when so this
Sadhya Visheshatah Pritihi Sri Murtir Angri Sevane Srimad Bhagavatarthanam Ashwado Rasikai Saho Sajati Rasvaye Snigde Sadhu Sango Satuvare Namo Sankirtanam Si Mathura Mandala Sthitihi Angyanam Panchakashashu Purvam Bilikitasya cha Nikhilo Sreshto Budhayo Punarapi Atro Kirtayan.
what does it mean? What Srila Raghunath Das Goswami used to speak, that with Shraddha Purvak, that all the Rasik devotees and Mahabhagavat, that from their lotus mouth, where you just take this Bhagavad Ji Rasa Swadan, you should do all the time. You should taste the Rasa, transcendental Rasa all the time of Srimad Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran. That by that Abhipray, that Atma Sadrishya, and that whatever those who are more superior than us, that we just need to do their association, and more those who are more higher than us, elevated in position in our bhajan, that we just need to do their association. That those who are more elevated in bhajan than us, we just need to do their association. And under their guidance, those devotees that who are doing sadhu sangha, that Nam Sankirtan, Mathura Mandal Sthiti, those who are staying in Mathura, all these kind of things we just need to do under the guidance of a sadhu who is more elevated than us. That maybe the lotus feet of Sri Krishna, etc. All these 5 different nectarian limbs we just need to follow. It's already been mentioned before as well. And maybe, and also that with the other limbs of bhakti as well. That and with other limbs of bhakti as well into consideration. That from different limbs of bhakti, that what I have already told you, that is the topmost of all. That lot of limbs are there. 64 limbs can be there in a lot of limbs can be there in 64 limbs of bhakti. But mainly 5 limbs of major bhakti limbs Bhagavan has already told. That apart from that is that in order to understand all those other parts of other limbs of bhakti, that again it is being described here so that you can get the topmost understanding, because that glorification is again being repeated here. So Srila Rupa Goswami, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, that what according to his own according to the Siddhanta Vichar, what bhajan he has done, that same bhajan pranali we just need to follow. Like Ija, that Shri Murti, Shri Vigraha, that we just need to do archan of Shri Vigraha. And Shri Hari Vasan means Shri Hari Vasar Tithi means Ekadashi, etc. All those important tithis which is very dearer and nearer to Krishna, we just need to respect. And all those tilak, etc. and Charnamrat Prasad, etc. when you are taking, all you just need to take with full shraddha. All etc. all these vratas we just need to respect and have to accept it with full shraddha. And Tulasi Seva, all these kind of limbs I have already told, that this all limbs of bhakti are already present there in these 5 major nectarian limbs of bhakti. That is already there inside that. Whether it's there are 64 limbs of bhakti, but still here these 5 limbs, inside that it is present. All the limbs of bhakti. It means Akhya means the glorification of Bhagwan, like Bhakti Shastras are there. All those devotees, they are doing Harikatha Kirtan and Shri Harinam and Leela, etc. Characteristic qualities they are actually remembering all the time. That everything it will be done. It is very important for all special limbs of bhakti. And Bhagwan himself, that Bhagwan himself in the form of Shastras, he is presenting himself, that his own Swarup, Ved Shastra, Ved Upanishad, Puran, everything is the Swarupa Bhagwan. So he manifested himself in front of us in that form. And because Dhyan, Smaran and all this Vishay, but Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran, it is written there that Smaran is actual Dhyan. Srila Jiva Goswami Pad speaking that here Smaran is actually called Dhyan. Smaran is actually called remembrance. Srila Jiva Goswami Pad writing in the Sandarbha, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad has written, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad has written here that Srila Rupa Goswami already told everything before.
Dhayan nitva govardhanam anudhiram tvam bhajo manah.
So Ijja means that Shri Murti, Shri Vigraha, that to do Archan Seva of Shri Harivasar Tithi, to just respect that Tithi, that Mala Tilak, etc. Charnamrat Prasad you just need to take as Mahaprasadam, and Vrat, Tulsi, etc. you just need to do Seva of Tulsi. So etc. all these different limbs of bhakti which are there, that they are all inside these 5 nectarian limbs of bhakti. That Irja Namak, that kind of Vishay, that it is all there inside that. Aksha means that Bhagwan himself is coming in the form of Bhagavad, Ved, Puran, Upanishads. Aksha means that it is there, he manifested himself in that form. So Bhakti Shastra part, by doing that, by doing the Bhakti Shastra part, and in the associations of devotees, pure devotees, to do Harikatha Kirtan and Shri Harinam, Leela, etc. all you are actually glorifying that in front of all pure devotees. That is also limb of bhakti. And about Dhyan, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad has written here that I just want to speak it in front of you. In Dhyan, actually regarding Dhyan, it is written, meditation is
concentration of mind.
Smaran, it is there inside the concentration of your mind already. Here, that Smaran, that in our bhakti limb, that smaran is actually called dhyan. That apart from that by just joining your hands, by praying to Bhagwan in Gaudiya Math, it is not at all there at all, separately with what you are doing. So Srila Jiva Goswami Pada actually speaking regarding this. That dhyan is under smaran only. That is very important. Meditation is one kind of concentration only.
Lokaswanusandhanam athokram sopanuritva sukhalabhyam gunopari karo rase. Pari karo raseva leela smarane.
Here actually it is being told, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad has written the details, that I am just speaking in front of you this. That smaran, what do you call? That Srila Jiva Goswami Pad speaking. That when you are actually meditating inside, that is called smaran, smaranang.
Sopanuritva sukholabhyam gunopari karo seva leela smarananchanu sandheyam smaranam panchovidham yat kinchit anusandhyanam. इसके नाम है,
that is actually called smaran.
अनुसंधानम स्मरणम, इसको बोले,
that is actually called smaran.
सर्वतोष चित्तम आकृष्योस सामान्य कारणेन मनोधारण धारयम धारणा, इसका नाम धारणा.
That is actually called dharana.
सर्वो चित्तों का आकृष्ट कर,
that who is that for in normal conditions, that in some vishay our heart is getting attracted spontaneously for something,
मनोधारणम, इसका नाम है धारणा.
that is called dharana. That conception is there.
विशेषतो रूप आदि
Vishesha Srila Rup, especially that to just meditate on Srila Rup Goswami Pad.
Avicchinnam tat dhruvanusriti. And uska baad,
And after that,
dheyo matto spuranam, dheyo matto spuranam, dheyo matto spuranam, deho matro spuranam, samadhi riti. Samadhi riti. Bhakti Sandarbha
in Bhakti Sandarbh also, in Bhakti Sandarbh, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad is writing that Smaran, the actual name of Smaran is Srila Jiva Goswami Pad. This in Sri Bhakti Sandarbh, inside that he has written that Smaran, the meaning of Smaran means Manusandhan, means that when you are just meditating inside your mind all the time, that gradual promotional procedure, by that according to the rules, that Parikar Seva, Leela Smaran and Anusandhan, that is should be in gradual proportional procedure at the end. That this Smaran, that five Smaran is also 5 types categorically. Category Smaran is not at all normal. It is also categorized in 5 types. Smaran is not at all normal. It is of 5 types. That it is of 5 types. In that Yat Kinchit Anusandhan, that the other name of that is Smaran. And from all the Vishay, that which is actually getting cut from, in the normal Vishay, when your Smaran is of 5 types, in that Yad Kinchit Anusandhan is called Smaran. For some Vishay, you are feeling attraction. And when you are actually feeling attraction for all the things, but when in a normal form, that you are actually just taking your mind from all the different kind of attraction and just putting it in a normal dhyan, that is called dharana. And in this which Swarup, that Shri Roop, Leela Smaran that Mahimas, Naam, Dhyan, etc. you are doing, and that same kind of Dhyan, that kind of it is equivalent to the nectarian flow of Leela. And then when this same Dhyan is actually being converted into that, it is just taking that nectarian flow, and unstoppable flow of nectarian nectar is coming, and that kind of Roop Madhuri, you are just thinking all the time of Krishna. It means that in which Dhyan, that only Dhey Vastu you are actually just feeling and just remembering. That only that Dhey Vastu, that Dhey object you will be just seeing. That is called Samadhi. The thing which you are feeling attraction for, if the thing which you are feeling attraction for, if you are just having the darshan of that attracted object only, that is actually called Samadhi. That is Dhruvanushruti. And in that dhyan, only Devastu, apart from that, that is called Samadhi. That previously I have already told, Shri Nivasacharya got Samadhi, and Shri Ramchandra Kaviraj also got that Samadhi. Ram Narottam Das Thakur also, lot of incidents are there which can prove it. I have already told you, I have given this kind of explanation regarding that to you. So, Shravan means that Sadhu Guru. Shravan means Sadhu Guru, that from their lotus mouth, that Bhagwan, Naam, Leela, etc., Kirtan, everything you are actually accepting. And everything is coming. And in Aparanya, before sunset, that Puran, etc., Bhagavad Gita, Mahapuran, that Shravan, that kind of arrangement you should do, that is coming in the Shravan. It means that at the time, in the afternoon time, that means that after afternoon, like before sunset, in the noon time, that Puran, Bhagavad Gita, Mahapuran, etc., all this Shravan, you just need to do of that under the association of pure devotee. This all actually is coming in this Vishay only. Noti means that Shri Murti, in front of Shri Murti, Shri Vigraha, that Bhagavad Leela Smaran, that Uddipak, that kind of place, that you just, that to do Sashtang Dandavat Pranam is very much important. Like the case of Sriman Mahaprabhu, he has done Leela, that for the first time when he just went to Purushottam Neelachal Dham, that he went there, that from a long distance, when he saw from a long distance that Atharanala one place is there, when he saw from far distant that Purushottam Khetra, that Jagannath, that that chakra of Jagannath he saw, he just doing Dandvat Pranam from very far distant place, just by seeing the flag and chakra of flag and chakra of Jagannath. So it means that Shri Murti, that it is one kind of Smaran Uddipak, like just by seeing Giriraj Maharaj, automatically you are doing Sashtang Dandvat. That is Smaran Uddipak. That what already written in Kirtan, no? This is already written in the Kirtan as well. Leela Uddipak. This very nice Kirtan is there. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur writing. It's all actually very nice Kirtan. It is already written there, everything. That is Leela Uddipak. That is the actual Uddipak of Leela. That is one kind of catalyst which accelerates the reaction. Like the case this your that Vishwanu Maharaj, when he came, that Vishwanu Maharaj in Gaur Leela, who is, he is Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Pundarik Vidyanidhi, that in the form of peacock, that the one feather of this Shiki pitch, that actual feather of, just by seeing the feather of peacock, Mukund is actually upstairs. When one kind of peacock feather, that just by seeing the tail of the peacock, that immediately he just by Prem Vikar, he just fall down from downstairs. And Pundarik Vidyanidhi not like that. Just like this, automatically he just fall down by Prema. He just become unconscious just by hearing this shloka. Why? Because the actual that is called Leela Uddipak. That our Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that at Chatak Parvat, he was started running towards Chatak Parvat. That Shriman Mahaprabhu, when he was just running towards Chatak Parvat,
एक गाना सुना
that just by hearing that kirtan of Geet Govind, automatically he become mad. That Leela Uddipak just came. Automatically he just ran so fast that who is actually singing this? I will just do Alingan. And Govind is speaking that, oh Prabhu, Prabhu, that some Mataji is actually singing. That immediately Mahaprabhu just stopped there like a statue. It means that he is running like a wind. Mahaprabhu is actually running like a wind towards that at some woman is actually singing. Immediately he stopped like a statue.
एक उद्दीपक है.
That is actually Uddipak, Leela Uddipak. That this kirtan,
आपको मालूम होगा
that
शायद
definitely you must know this kirtan.
ये जो कीर्तन है
That
ना,
kirtan what is there, no? That everyone knows this kirtan. Who knows? Everyone knows this kirtan.
तो कीर्तन कॉमन
That this is a common kirtan, very nice kirtan it is.
मानस सरोवर है कुसुम सरोवर मानस गंगा लीला उद्दीपक बहुत सारे
Lot of nice kirtan are there.
ये नोती
So this noti, this actually being noti,
श्रीमूर्ति का
that Shri Murti in front of Shri Murti, Shri Vigraha,
का सामने
that in front of Shri Vigraha, definitely this kind of vikar will come. That noti, definitely Dandvat Pranam you need to give. And apart from that, that Bhagavad Leela Smaran Uddipak, like Shri Govardhan, Manasi Ganga, Radha Kund, Sham Kund, whatever you can see, that Kusum Srovar, what just by seeing that you have to pay Dandvat. Just that Leela Uddipak is coming. That Bhagavad Leela Smaran Uddipak it is.
ये करना जरूरी
So this is very much important to do. So Srila Raghunath Goswami was speaking that you see so much things.
इज्जा ख्या ध्यानो श्रवणो नोति नोति तो हो गया
Noti already done.
श्री गोवर्धन को क्यों
And Shri Gardhan, why we just need to do bhajan? The first point is that Shri Giriraj Maharaj, that he is himself Krishna.
पहला
That the first point is this. Shri Giriraj Maharaj is Krishna himself.
बोलो गिरिराज
That Bolo Giriraj Dharan ki jai ho. That Shri Govardhan ji Maharaj ki jai ho.
भजन
That Govardhan bhajan it is. Why? Because Srila Das Goswami Pad,
ये जो बात
that this point is there.
आपने को
That to himself, he is actually taking himself into consideration and target. That he is actually speaking this shloka. Srila Das Goswami Pad, that has so much topmost humble mood that he is not at all speaking in order to teach someone. That it is his own instruction what he is giving to himself. So much humble mood is there that for himself only he is actually speaking all this. But it is actually for us, not for him. How it can be for him? You tell me. He is Nitya Parshad, Srila Das Goswami Pad. That all these points what he is discussing, it is actually all targeted towards us so that he can give the instructions to all those jivas. That Das Goswami,
भक्तजन
that all those devotees, that kind of topmost Shri Chaitanya Dev,
जो गोवर्धन
that Shri Govardhan Shila he has given. Shri Chaitanya Dev, what he is given to Raghunath Das Goswami Pad in his hand, you understand? You remember that? When Raghunath Das Goswami Pad got that Govardhan Shila from Shri Gaurang Mahaprabhu, Srila Das Goswami Pad, he is just handed over to him in his hand.
और इतना
And not like that, but also that Gunjamala, Gunjamala, which is very dear to Krishna. Gunjamala, what is that? That our Guru Varga, has already told us that beta, that this Giriraj Maharaj, that what he has given, it means that Krishna himself, that he himself given Krishna in his hand. That Giriraj Maharaj means that Mahaprabhu has given to Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, that Sakshat Krishna he has given. Why? Because Krishna and Giriraj are not different from each other. But Gunjamala is given means, what does it mean? That Gunjamala, that Srimati Radharani, that lotus feet he has given. You understand? Yes, this is the point. So this all kind of prasang already there in Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita. In Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita you can find all this kind of beautiful prasang. Here actually being written, it is written by Shri Das Goswami. Why? Shri Govardhan. Why actually we have to worship Shri Govardhan?
kujano mopi mam nasho muditaha uro gunjaharam priyamopi chakavardhana silam dadau me gaurango hridayo udayan mam madayati.
That Gaurang, that stav of Gaurang, that under this stav, what is written there?
Mahasampaddarat opi patitamudhritta kipaya. Mahasampaddarat opi patitamudhritta kipaya. Sarupeya siye kujanamopi mam nasu muditaha. Uro gunjaharam priyamapi chagavardhana silam dadau me gaurango hridaya udayanamang madayati. Patito,
that I am is the most low. I am such a fallen soul. That I am so much fallen soul. That I am number one fallen and cheater of all. That Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, they are actually this kind of topmost humble mood they are expressing. They are not like that. If Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is himself speaking, that I will just accept this point. I will accept this point. No, it's not like that. Srila Gurudev Swami is actually more fallen than an insect of a stool. How it can be possible? So in the same way, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad actually just making this prayer that I will speaking that he is actually fallen. No, in order to just teach us, he is speaking like that. So Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad actually speaking that I am the most fallen. I am such a fallen soul, and I am most fallen of all. In number one, I am the lowly person of all. I am the most fallen and the lowest of all, and my number is actually coming in number one of the lowest of all. That same fallen soul who has just by his kripa, that topmost sampati, that treasure, by that in order to just take me free away from this bondage, who has taken me away, and he is giving the seva of all the Nijijan Shri Rup Goswami Pad. He has just given me shelter there. That with full anugatya and sharanagati, that he has just given me onto the lotus feet of Shri Swarup Goswami. That this kind of he is becoming happy by giving me to handing me over to Shri Swarup Goswami Pad, and those that he has just accepted me with full acceptance, and he is thinking myself as the topmost parikar, that kunjamala of his own neck, chest, he has given me that Giriraj Maharaj Shila and Gunjamala to me, that for infinity millions of life I can't forget it at all. I can't pay him. That same Gaurang, that he can just manifest inside my heart, and just he is attracting me all the time. That same Gaurang, he is manifested inside my heart, and he is giving me the topmost attraction. So where I can go, you tell me? That he is attracting me. That Giriraj Maharaj, by Giriraj Maharaj, that Guru Varg actually speaking, that by Giriraj Maharaj, Sakshat Krishna, that he has given me onto the lotus feet of Krishna, and Srila Das Goswami Pad, that to Shri Giri Govardhan, onto the lotus feet of Giriraj he has given me, and I don't want to leave this place at all. Don't need to leave this place at all, anytime. That this kind of nishtha, that same nishtha, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, you can see that clearly. Anyhow, that Gaurang has given me this place, I won't leave it. So this place I won't leave. So that kind of nishtha also is coming into Shri Govardhan Bhajan. That nishtha is also one limb of Govardhan Bhajan. That is also that nishtha towards Shri Govardhan, that will come into that Govardhan Bhajan only. That our
भक्त लोग हैं,
all
कभी
those
कभी बहुत
devotees
सारे
are
भक्त
there,
लोग
lot of
daily
devotees are there, daily they are doing Govardhan
Govardhan
Parikrama, like Sanatan Goswami used to give daily Govardhan
भगवत
Parikrama.
कृपा के द्वारा,
By Bhagavad Kripa and by Guru Kripa, I also used to do.
अभी एक भक्त तो
But
है,
now one
वो
devotee is there in
वो तो
Bhajan Kut,
पिछले
Prabhupada Bhajan
35
Kuti,
साल
from
से
last
रोज
35 years he is doing. His name is Vibhas Prabhu. So he is doing Parikrama each and every day. That is his seva.
गिरि गोवर्धन
That Giri Govardhan Bhajan.
और
And
साधारण
that normal,
विचार करके
with normal
अगर
vichar if you are doing,
तो ये
then in
गिरिराज
that
महाराज
Shri
दिया,
Giriraj Maharaj,
इसका पूजा
that
के लिए
he
दिया
just
है,
for this worship he is given.
गिरिराज
It means
मतलब
that
कृष्ण
Giriraj Maharaj means
पूजा
that
करने
Krishna
के लिए
himself
गिरिराज,
actually is being worshipped.
अर्थात कृष्ण का चरण में
That
दिया है।
onto the lotus feet of Krishna he has given.
और
And
गोवर्धन
Shri Govardhan
का गोवर्धन
and
गिरिराज
Giriraj, Govardhan Giriraj Maharaj, that place is there.
जो लीला स्थान,
That Leela Sthan, what is there?
एक उपलक्षण में
That
समस्त
in that
ब्रह्मांड का निष्ठा का
that all the Brajmandal's nishtha, that is the topmost Adhar Swarup. That Bhagavad Aradhana you just need to do. That kind of vichar is also coming.
और
And
गुंजामाला देकर
Gujamala Bhaja is giving that. Srimati Radharani's lotus feet is given to Sri Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. So all this vichar what I have already told you here, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Anugatya, under his Anugatya,
देखो ये बताया
that actually being told here, that in Stav Kalpatru, Shri Gaurang Stav Kalpatru it is written,
पादा बजे महासंपदाद ओपी महासंपदा है महासंपदादोपी महा क्या महासंपद आराध ओपी एक साथ पाठ करने से आप
that
समझोगे
when I will be putting it all together, then only you can understand.
संपद आराध ओपी महा संपद दाराद ओपी महा संपद दाराद ओपी पतितम उद्धृत कृपया स्वरूपे यह सीए कुजनमोपी माम नशो मुदितः उरो गुंजहारम प्रियमपि च गोवर्धनो शिलाम ददौ मे गौरांगो हृदय उदयन माम मदयति। अनित्वा
And Nitva, what does it mean? What does Nitva means that by this Niti word, that only Vidhi, that we can understand. But that here it is not at all applicable here. That Nitva, that by that Niti, that Vidhi is there. Here we couldn't make this kind of explanation here at all. This is not at all like that. The explanation is not like that. That Vidhi, which is actually which is the actual limb of Bhakti, that where actually written.
रघुनाथेर नियम जन पाषाणेर रेखा ये जो इच्छा करते
That just by his will actually it is being written. It's just like Vidhi, that 2000 Vaishnav is doing paying Dandvat,
2 लाख
and 2 lakh Harinam
शोभन कीर्तन
and Shravan Kirtan,
लिखा हुआ है ना
just already being written, no?
सर्वगोष्ठी में
That by Shad Goswami Astakam it is written.
निद्राहार विहार का दिवितो चातांत दिनो चोचो राधा कृष्ण गुणेर स्मृतेर मधुरिमा है नंदेन मत्तालिको इत्यादि।
So
यहाँ जो नित्वा
here this Nitva, that Niti that Vidhi, it is not at all, it is to accept it as Vidhi, because Raghunath Das Goswami is not at all in Vidhi, that he is actually Vidhi Bhakti Adhikari, he is actually by his own, he is actually following that gradual proportional procedure of Vidhi, but he is the actual Adhikari of Raganuga Bhakti, that Srila Rup Goswami Pad, that what is the actual pathway, that Ragniti, that in order to accept that, that is actually bhajan. That Nitva, it means two meanings, but that here particular meaning is applicable here. Why? Because Srila Raghunath Das Goswami Pad is actually doing, who is actually speaking all these kind of instruction just to his own mind. He is actually putting in front. He is putting his own mind in front, and he is just giving his that instruction that those who are Rupanuk devotees, for them only he is actually those that Parikya Ras. That's why we are speaking Nitva, just by speaking this word Nitya. That Nitya means that Vidhimar, that just to think like that, this at least it is not at all acceptable here. So those who are doing Raganuga Bhakti, especially Rupanuga devotees, that under the guidance of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, that Rag Niti, that kind of bhajan Niti is actually being told here. Just I'll be speaking, I'll be just giving rest up till this point. Maybe this is the before Kartik Vrat, this will be the last pravachan, and after that after Kartik, when I'll be able to again start this kind of discussion, that about that I will be just telling you in advance. The Manasiksha Bhasha.
Radha Krishna Sokhi Sane Lila Rose Nitto Thake Bhor Sei Doinondin Lila Bohu Bhagye Je Sebila Tahar Bhagyer Barajur Mon Jodi Chahay Sei Dhon Siruper Sange Loye Tar Unuchori Hoye Korotar Nirdishto Bhajan Hidaye Rager Bhabe কালোচিত সেবা পাবে সদা রসে রহিমে মজিয়া বাহিরে সাধন দেহ করিবে ভজন গেহ নিঃসঙ্গে বা সাধু সঙ্গে লইয়া যুগল পূজন ধ্যান নতি শ্রুতি সংকীর্তন পঞ্চামৃতে সেব গোবর্ধনে রূপ রঘুনাথ পায় এ ভক্তি বিনোদ চায় দৃঢ়মতি এই রূপ ভজনে
That maybe you can understand Bangla very slightly. That in Nukunj 1, that in the Radha Krishna, that in the Leela Ras, they are actually all the time getting vibhor into that in front of all those Sakhis. That Leela, what is going, Nitya Leela, that by topmost luck you are getting, and how we just need to follow, all actually being written in this Bhashya. So up till now, I'll be just giving rest up till now. Just forgive me for that. Up till I don't have any time to speak more.
Yad Brahma Sakshat Kiti Nishtayapi Vinasamayati Vinana Bhogoi Apaidinam Spuranenu Tate Parabda Karameti Viroti Veda Vanchakalpadura Sikapa Sindhu Bhavasya Patitanam Pavanebho Vishnabhyo Namo.